Alright guys, today we are going to go ahead and get GNCRC first official giveaway started. So you guys know I am bonkers over these things, going crazy with them, and I'm just in love with them. So most of you guys that are following me probably may have these, you may not have these, but if you do have these, this is the giveaway that we're about to have. So everybody pretty much know what these are. These are about little guy racing parts. These are the Trail Kings. Been a bunch of buzz about them lately. So I decided for my first giveaway to go ahead and give a set of these away. Now, this giveaway is gonna start today. In order to win this giveaway, we're gonna need you to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to the channel. This giveaway will run from today's date all the way until the end of the month. On that day, I will announce the giveaway winner, and we'll be shipping those tires out immediately. So this doesn't cost you a thing. Just go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and also comment. We're gonna use random.org to decide who the winner is. I'm gonna start from the very beginning of the comments. When they're first put on there, from the first comment all the way to the last, I'll number them, and then we're gonna go ahead and use random, and we'll upload that video also. And we may even do it live on Instagram, not really sure yet. Good luck.